honourable member for St. Peter, I think it was, made reference to the interest savings. And that is fine. We're happy about interest savings. But tell us how much interest yet we have to pay, because that is the fuller truth. And Barbadians need to hear, want to know. What is the level of interest we will have to pay going forward? Don't just say we made a savings of X or Y amount. What do we have to pay going forward? And not in vague and broad macro terms. Tell them in terms of dollars, so that Bajans can know how it impacts them. We're talking about fuller truth, full disclosure. Mr. Speaker, with respect to interest payments, in short order, Mr. Speaker, we have to pay about $4 million relative to interest owed to our creditors. These are the upcoming immediate payments, starting and completed 2 payments in 2020. There are also, Mr. Speaker, a number of other interest payments which will have to be paid between 2021 and 2029, amounting to $356 million. Talk to the people in numbers that may be understood, so that Bajans would know exactly what we have agreed to and what are the implications for us going forward. So interest payments going down till 2029, beginning in April, I think it is 2021, $356 million, Mr. Speaker. Total interest payments, therefore, between April of next year and down to 2029, $360 million in interest payments. Those are the numbers. Now, in terms of payment, repayment on principal under the new arrangements spoken to in the resolution, beginning in 2025 and going through to 2029, $547 million that we have to look to pay. 2 in 2025, 2 in 2026, 2 in 2027, 2 in 2028, 2 in 2029, each of about $55 million each payment. Mr. Deputy Speaker, those are some of the numbers. There's an immediate payment, almost immediate, in fact it is upon us, of $32.5 million, making a total of principal repayments falling to us between now and 2029 of $580 million. When you add the two together, the principal amounts and the interest, Mr. Speaker, between now with the immediate payments facing us and those starting significantly in 2025 and going through twice per year to 2099, we're talking about $940 million US, $1.8 billion, Mr. Deputy Speaker. And these are the numbers with which we have to be familiar, because that is the burden of debt that will fall according to schedule under this agreement upon the shoulders of the people of Barbados.